Alright, we're back out of the range. Got the 1022 out now to do the Captain America challenge. It's a 1022 Ruger action, kid barrel, kid trigger, Wooks chassis, and got an Arkin EP5 on top. And we're going to be trying this with Eley Semi-Auto Bench Rest Precision. Last time I shot this gun, I shot the Eley through it. It actually shot pretty good. So, we're going to find out. I have not shot this gun in probably 5 months. But let's shoot a sighter. Alright, let's get into it. It's pretty close. Oh, geez. Was pretty close. Oh, my goodness. I don't even know where to hold it. It's all over. Oh man, it's not pretty. Come on, Ruger, don't let me down. Let's finish strong. Oh. I ain't kidding, this is ugly. But at least I'm out shooting. Alright, let's finish this out. Where are we? Oh, wow. Alright. Last 3. Uh-oh. What happened there? Oh. Well, you seen it. Not pretty. I need to lot test. The SK, or bench rest, semi-auto bench rest shot pretty good last time. I don't know if this is a different lot. It's been a couple months since I shot this gun. I think I'm going to try running some SK long range through it, see how it shoots at. But I'll take a picture of the card, add it up. You guys will see the score, and we'll post it up over a day at the range. Thanks for watching, guys.